Python 3 basics video. In the previous video we learned about the syntax of importing a module in Python 3 script. In this video I'll be showing you how to make a module of your own and use it whenever you want. So let's begin. So first of all we'll be creating a file, create a new file and import example mod, enter, and to have a certain particular functionality to that module we are going to perform a basic function within that module which we consider it as data, taking a parameter colon and print data. So this is a simple function which performs only print method in the module example mod. So let's save as the folder files which is in the Python directory and give the name example mod.py. Save. So first of all let's check over here in the terminal. Let's import exmod. So as you can see the mod is not actually present because we have to shift it to the side packages, because while performing the search operation of different modules in Python, the Python searches from the directory, then side packages and etc. So let's go to the directory 36. So the file which we example mod, cut that and take it to the library, live package and side packages. Save, paste. As you can see example mod exmod is the file which is the module created, and save and run. So as you can see it works fine. So performing the operation within the module, again we will just for the surety will import example mod. So as you can see the module is present in the side packages default package where all the Python packages are stored. So there is no issue of that, no module found. As you can see the module is now present in the Python package which you have created, and now the point comes to the function, the method which is printing. So let's take the example mod dot example bracket and the data which you want to put. So as you can see it prints perfectly with no problem. So this is the module which we created, which we used over in the terminal directly without creating any file, which we imported here example mod the Python and the variable which we want to take, and this is the data which we created. Yes, so this is how you can create a module in Python 3 very easily. So this is the most basic thing which I've done here. You can put on as many ideas you want to create a module and use it accordingly to you. So this is the basic part, and this is how you can create a module in Python 3. Most important thing is that you have to save that file which you created as a module in the side packages where all the packages are stored in the Python library. So this is it for the module series, and thanks for watching this, guys.